Spend a day with us here at Immuki Island. From Macnotan, La Union, I ride a tricycle going straight to Immuki Island. Entrance fee is 50 pesos only. And if you're planning to go here, go in the morning because it's high tide. If you want to enjoy the water and go kayak. And they also have balsa here. So this is the kayak. So we're about to tour you the island.
Alright guys, we're going to 100 Island.
Yes!
Let's go. Let's go to this island. Balik tayo doon. Kami babangga ka.
Alam niya na yung parang.
Wow! Ang galing!
Oh, galing. Ay! Hindi.
Lost in the island. Oh. Perfect!
Ready na.
Kami naman po. Layasan mo na isang light bed. Okay na, lamig, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Hindi kami.
Game on. Uy, ang ganda dito, ang lalim. Ay, lalim na.
Ha?
Gogong lalim.
Lang natin.
Guys, malalim dito. Oh, yan o.
Bigyan mo na sila.
Of course.
Di ba?
No, parang mas hindi tayo dito. Ito sa kapuakan.
We're going home, guys.
Kung magtutog ng kuko nila kita roto.
We spent 2 hours here in...
Thank you po! Ito na yun. Ito na yun. Wait lang. Dito tayo. Dito tayo.
Ang gagaling ng mga kasama ko, guys. Silang pro. Alas mo dito yan. Akatong si Jessie Bell.
Jezebel. Oh, Jezebel.
Akala ko si Marina nandito.
Okay na! Let's go, guys.
Because when the sun showers shine together. Ella, Ella, eh, eh, eh.
My aunt also rented this, we call it tent, for about $24 and you can stay here until 6 p.m. This is one of La Union's hidden gems as of now. So see you in the next one.